Ang pag-ibag ko, hindi ka mo, ano nga ba? Hi guys. Hi, Bonami! Glad to see you home. Have a blessed day. Thank you! I'm now in Philippines with my family. Yeah. And this is my second sister. I'm the oldest one and he is the second one. Bigyan mo talaga no.
Glad to see you home, abay. Ganun.
Parita. American.
You know naman.
American.
You know that ko naman. Oh, you know that ko naman.
So happy. Yeah, so happy. And this pancake is requested by my son. So, huh? Na?